In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Workstation Bitbucket repository. By the end, you'll have a brand new repository ready in your workspace, and you'll understand what each setting means so you can create it correctly the first time. Start by heading to the Bitbucket login page. When you get there, choose the option to sign in with Google. This is the quickest and most secure route if your organization uses Google accounts. Select your Google account and complete any prompts you see. If you're asked for verification, just follow the on-screen steps so Bitbucket can authenticate you properly. Once you're in, navigate to the repositories section of your workspace. This page lists everything you already have and is also the hub for creating something new. Look for the Create Repository button and click it to begin the setup. You'll first be asked for a project name. Think of a project as a container that groups related repositories together. Use a clear high-level label so teammates instantly understand what belongs there. Next, provide the repository name. Keep it concise, descriptive, and consistent with your team's naming conventions. Lowercase letters with hyphens and no spaces usually work best and make URLs cleaner. Now adjust the access level. For most workstation or internal work, private is the safest choice so only people in your workspace with permissions can see the code. Public is suitable only when you intentionally want others to browse or contribute. Double check this setting because it determines visibility from day one. Set the default branch name. Many teams use main, but use whatever your organization standardizes on. This matters for pull requests and policies, and it becomes the trunk for your workflow, so pick it carefully to avoid renaming later. Click Advanced Settings to fine-tune details. Add a clear, helpful description that explains the repository's purpose, the tech stack, and any scope notes. This small step saves time for everyone who joins later. Review any optional toggles available to you in this view and align them with your team's guidelines. When everything looks good, click Create Repository. Bitbucket will generate the repo and take you to its overview page. From here, you can see the repository's details and you're ready to start working. You'll typically connect from your development environment and begin pushing code, but the repository itself is now set up and ready for your team. That's it. You logged in, opened the repositories area, created a repository with the right project, name, access level, and default branch, polished the advanced settings, and finished with Create. Thanks for watching and happy building.